Okay, so I'm going to be showing the solution to the 2012 AMC10A Problem 21, and this is a 3D geometry problem, and I already drew the diagram. So it says let A be 0, 0, 0, let B be 1, 0, 0, C be 0, 2, 0, and D be 0, 0, 3. And this is the x-axis, this is the z-axis, this is the y-axis. And points E, F, G, H are the midpoints of BD, AB, AC, and DC. And we just want to find the area of E, F, G, H. So the first step is to calculate BZ. And to calculate BZ, we just use the distance formula. And by the distance formula, 1 minus 0 squared is just 1. 0 minus 0, which is 0, squared is 0. And 0 minus 3 squared is negative 3, which itself squared is going to give us 9. So BZ is root 10. So this, we want to find the distance EB first, so this distance is root 10 over 2. And we know AB is a distance of 1, so this distance is 1/2. So EF squared by the Pythagorean theorem is root 10 over 2 squared, which is 10 over 4, minus 1/2 squared, which is 9 over 4. So we have EF squared is 9 over 4. So EF is 3 over 2. And we know this distance, AF, is 1/2, and AG is 1. So, and we want to calculate FG to find our area. So FG, by the Pythagorean theorem, you'll solve and get root 5 over 4. And these are our two side lengths, so multiplying we have 3 root 5 over 4 as the area of EFGH. So our answer is C and we're done.